Why eat more vegetables?
Vegetables are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber that support your overall health. Eating more vegetables can help maintain a healthy weight, boost your immune system, and lower your risk of chronic diseases. By adding more veggies to your meals, you make nutritious eating both delicious and accessible every day.
Start with breakfast.
Breakfast offers a great chance to add vegetables to your routine. Try mixing spinach, tomatoes, or bell peppers into omelets, breakfast burritos, or savory oatmeal. You can also blend leafy greens or frozen cauliflower into smoothies. Sneaking veggies into your morning meal helps you begin your day with energy and nutrients.
Make veggies the main event.
Turn vegetables into the star of your meals. Build hearty salads with colorful veggies, beans, and seeds. Or prepare stir-fries and casseroles using favorite vegetables. Swap noodles with spiralized zucchini or roasted squash. And experiment with cauliflower pizza crusts or veggie-based sauces for pasta. These creative swaps add flavor and variety without sacrificing satisfaction.
Snack smart with veggies.
Instead of reaching for chips or sweets, keep cut-up vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, or bell peppers on hand for easy snacking. Pair them with hummus, yogurt dip, or salsa for added flavor. Roasted chickpeas or kale chips are tasty options too. Snacking on veggies helps curb hunger and adds nutrition between meals.
Boost flavor with sauces and herbs.
Jazz up your vegetables with fresh herbs, spices, or flavorful sauces. Roasting veggies with olive oil, garlic, or lemon brightens their taste. Try tossing them in pesto, sriracha, or balsamic glaze. When vegetables taste great, you're more likely to enjoy and stick with eating them often.